If you think, I can learn English, then your mind helps you. When you learn English with a positive mind, you learn faster. When you feel positive, positive things come to you. You attract what you think. Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. I am so happy today because the previous lesson, I am phrases, received so many views and wonderful feedback from all of you. I realize that many of you are interested in learning English with the law of attraction. So I decided to create this lesson to introduce what the law of attraction is. Thank you so much for your lovely comments, likes, and support. Your positive energy motivates me to create more simple and powerful English lessons for you. So today we are learning Lesson 2, What is the Law of Attraction? Let's begin! The law of attraction is a very simple idea. You attract what you think. Good thoughts bring good things. Positive energy brings positive results. When you think positive thoughts, you feel positive. When you feel positive, positive things come to you. This is the basic meaning of the law of attraction. Let's learn some new words. Please repeat after me. Attract. Think. Believe. Feel. Energy. Excellent. Now, let's use these words in simple English sentences. Repeat after me. I think good thoughts. I attract good things. I believe in myself. I feel happy and strong. My energy is positive. Great job. When you learn English with a positive mind, you learn faster. When you say good words, your mind becomes strong. If you think, I can learn English, then your mind helps you. But if you think, I cannot learn English, your mind stops you. So always think positive. Let's do a short positive affirmation. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I attract success into my life. Good things are coming to me. Beautiful. Today we learned the meaning of the law of attraction. 5 new English words. Simple, positive sentences. A short affirmation practice. You did a great job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to LELTA. And comment below, I attract good things. Your feedback always makes me so happy and motivates me to create more lessons for you. See you in the next lesson.